In this question, you have to choose the option that represents the correct conduction pathway in the heart. Now, the conduction pathway in the heart is responsible for coordinating the heartbeat by transmitting electrical impulses in a precise sequence. Now, the process begins with the sinoatrial node located in the right atrium. The SA node acts as the heart's natural pacemaker, initiating the action potential that sets the rhythm for the heartbeat. The impulse then travels to the atrioventricular node, which is located at the junction between the atria and the ventricles. The AV node receives the electrical signal from the SA node, and then from the AV node, the impulse is transmitted to the atrioventricular bundle, which is also known as the bundle of His. Now, this bundle of His is responsible for carrying the electrical signal into the interventricular septum, and the AV bundle then divides into the right and the left branches, which run along the interventricular septum. And these bundle branches carry the electrical impulse towards the apex of the heart, ensuring that the signal reaches both the ventricles. And finally, the bundle is distributed to the ventricular muscle by the Purkinje's fiber, which extend from the bundle branches. And the Purkinje's fiber ensures the rapid and coordinated contraction of the ventricles, allowing the blood to be efficiently pumped out of the heart to the lungs and rest of the body. Thus, the sequence is SA node, then AV node, then AV bundle, then bundle branches, and finally Purkinje's fiber. That is E, then C, then A, then B, then D, then B. Hence, the correct answer is option C.